Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Cadillac SRX computer. First, locate your vehicle's battery, which is often found under the rear seat or sometimes under the hood. You'll need a wrench, typically a 10mm, to loosen the battery terminals. Before starting, make sure your ignition is completely off and all electronic accessories are unplugged to prevent any electrical issues. This initial preparation is key for a smooth process. Once prepared, carefully disconnect the negative battery cable first. This is a crucial safety step to avoid any accidental sparks or short circuits. After the negative cable is off, proceed to disconnect the positive cable. With both cables removed, allow the vehicle's computer system to sit without power for at least 15 minutes. This waiting period ensures the system fully discharges and clears its memory. After the waiting period, it's time to reconnect the battery. Start by securely attaching the positive battery cable back to its terminal. Then, reconnect the negative battery cable, ensuring both connections are tight and stable. Once the battery is fully reconnected, start your Cadillac SRX. Allow the engine to idle for a few minutes so the computer can relearn its settings and adapt to the vehicle's systems. Finally, check your dashboard for any persistent warning lights and ensure all your vehicle systems, like the radio and climate control, are working correctly. Take your SRX for a short drive to confirm everything feels normal and the computer has successfully adapted. If any issues persist, further diagnosis might be needed. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Consider subscribing if we helped you.